Hello, teachers. I'm going to be showing you a website today that will help with learning objectives and practice in the classroom with math. The learning objectives are very clear as to what you can choose for each item on this website. So let's just go to mathgames.com. Oh, mathgames, my apologies, .com. Okay. Um, there's not really any limitations because you don't have to sign up, and if you don't want to, you can really work on any PC, Mac, or tablet. So as you can see up here, there's the grading system, skills, games, standards, worksheets. So we're going to go to games. So I've played a few of these as an example. Math Slither is basically a game where you have a worm that allows you to do fractions, multiplying, addition. So let's do an example for Cat Wars is like a really good one for kids to do. It's really fun, interactive.
Grammarly does more than catch errors. With Grammarly, you can find really good.
Sorry about that. So you're going to come to a screen that says Cat War as you do play. Okay. And you select your character, which is really fun for kids to be interactive. You know, they love to choose who they want to be on the internet. So I'm going to choose the cat, this one. And then I'm going to do second grade since that's what I'm going to be teaching. And then you have these options of number patterns, counting, number properties, addition, subtraction, and mixed equations. So let's just do addition, for example. And basically what this is a cat tug-of-war game, and whenever you answer the problem wrong, the cat will pull opposite of the other. So since I am the white and gray one, 13 plus 1 is 14. 11 plus 3 is 14, and so on. So that is how it is for this website. And there are many other games, so if you go back, there's so many options. By using this tool, the teacher can save time doing practice problems with students by like giving the site for homework, or maybe going to the computer lab one day to have them play on the computer and actually learn at the same time. So yeah, so if you have any suggestions for teachers to do math problems online, this is a really good source.